If you haven't tried the Libzaki Big Car Trunk Organizer, you're missing out on the best organizing system for your vehicle, especially if you need a lot of different kinds of items for daily use in your business. With so many items needed for handyman and cleaning jobs, it was impossible to stay organized, and so much time was wasted looking for the right tools or products needed for a client's project. It was very frustrating. But chaos turned into organized calm when two Libzaki organizers were used to contain the tools and smaller items that had been so hard to find when they were needed. These organizers have flexible partitions that let you tailor the size of the compartments to the item you are storing. Features include slip-resistant bottom, large capacity, sturdy construction, waterproof material, lids to cover the contents so that the organizer can also be used for seating, and comfortable aluminum alloy handles. Now work each day goes more smoothly without the frustration of constantly trying to find needed supplies.